So guys, in this video we will see how to use OP AutoClicker. So guys, for using the OP AutoClicker, first of all you install the OP AutoClicker. For this, go to the official website of browser OP AutoClicker and the official website, then navigate to the legitimate source to avoid the malware and download the file. Then extract the file and run your op.clicker.exe. This program run portable, not further installation is typically needed. Okay, then you complete the basic configuration, like under the click interval choose single click and the double click option and select the mouse button to simulate left, right or middle, and you can also specify the repeat count or choose to repeat until stopped. Okay, then guys, if you want to get some advanced key, so guys you also set the hotkey or the cursor position. Into the hotkey section, click the box next to start and stop and press your desired activation key on the keyboard, F6 or F8. Under cursor position, select the current position to click where your mouse is. Alternatively, choose the pick location to set the fixed clicking spot and click the pick location button and then click anywhere on your screen. Then X and Y coordinates will update to your chosen fixed point. Then starting and stopping auto clicking, ensure auto clicker is open and minimized in the background. Then navigate to the application or the game where you want to click to occur. Observe the click happening at your set interval or the position. To stop, simply press and stop hotkeys again. The click counter will reset and click will cease. Okay,